Today, I'm going to show you how to rank #1 with MiniMax M3 AI SEO. And this is a super powerful AI. You can see we actually created this beautiful website using the same processes. Here's another website that we actually built using this. You can actually use it for generating keyword research so you can rank your website as well. Some other cool stuff we built with this. For example, this is a content scorer, so you can actually look at our headlines, for example, and give us a score. It can analyze our content, tell us how we can improve it, and actually grades it, and then tells us exactly what we need to change about our SEO content. So you can use it for all sorts of cool stuff. And one of the things that I found about this is a very agentic model. And what I mean by that is basically you can plug it into, for example, Hermes, or you can plug it into whatever AI agent you prefer to use, and it can generate videos, it can generate images, it can create beautiful websites, it can give you guided content, and also it can also generate the blog post itself, of course. So let me pull up some examples of what we've built here. This is actually using our agent operating system. I would highly recommend that if you are going to use a model like this, definitely plug it into an agent operating system. Otherwise, it's going to be messy and it's going to be hard to see everything you've created. Whereas you have it something like that, and you can have it working alongside all your tools, and you can even have a dedicated section for SEO as well. So what we've got over here is all sorts of cool stuff, and I just want to show you the power of what you can do with this. For example, with MiniMax M3, we built out some keyword research around AI SEO. And one of the best things about having that agent operating system is that it's taking the notes from my memory. So M3, as soon as we plugged it into our AI agents, into Hermes and anything else that we use, it already understands everything about me, all of my businesses, all of my goals, all of my blog posts, etc. And so we can use that to create more unique content without me having to re-explain anything. It just had instant context because we plugged it into the whole system that we created. So it came up some really good keywords here, organized it. I think this is actually pretty good for client reports as well. And then it analyzed the keywords for SEO along with the intent of that, the volume, the estimated difficulty, and the angle recommended for the blog post itself. Now, on top of that, I actually organized this whole guide so it can create websites and it can do UI, as you can see right here. And then additionally, it gives us some ideas of what prompts we could use. So we could actually use MiniMax for keyword research, for understanding search intent, for understanding what's already ranking, reverse engineering that, and then helping us create content briefs for our team as well, or our AI agents. You can actually do on-page analysis. You can look at internal links and everything else. Now, if you want to see some examples of pages that it can write and the style of writing, you can see some examples right here. It actually writes it down in Markdown, which is typical of an AI agent, but if we plug that into a Markdown preview, you can see that actually generated these blog posts like you can see right here. Now, on top of that, I also created some really cool tools using our AI SEO processes. So what you can see here, for example, is this is 3 different AI SEO tools that MiniMax built, and this is all being built at the same time. That's the other interesting thing about this is it's very autonomous. It can just go off. You give it a keyword and it will go off and do its own thing. So for example, here we can plug in our title tag, we can plug in the URL, we can plug in the meta description. It actually previews it, as you can see inside this preview here. We can also use this for meta tag builders. So we can plug in the description URL and then it can generate the meta tags for our SEO content, and it can look at our keyword density. So it actually built out 3 different keyword tools in one single prompt using MiniMax. Here's some other cool stuff that it built. Not only that, but also what it's super powerful for is generating videos. Now that is great for SEO because, for example, if we plug in a keyword like this into Google, you can see us ranking multiple times for that keyword. And the way that we did this, the way that we can get our content ranking, and you can see, by the way, that when we generate content like this, we're ranking inside Google AI mode at the top, which is pretty nice too. So it can rank very quickly if you're using video. The way you can do this is we actually built out something called the M3 MiniMax Studio. And what this means essentially is that not only can you create SEO content using blog posts and also SEO tools to automate your SEO too, but additionally, you can, for example, plug in prompts and then generate images. And look at the quality of these images. Now, why is that important? Well, for example, if we type in this keyword again, we plug this in, and then we go to the images here, you can see us ranking inside the images as well for this particular keyword. So it is important to not just try and rank organically for the keywords that you want, but also rank with the images that you generate. And the beautiful thing about MiniMax M3 is it can help you generate images. Now, the way this actually works is you can get the MiniMax coding plan, then you can plug it into Hermes, and Hermes can then generate images, videos, etc. using the coding plan from MiniMax. So it uses different models for images, but they all work together agentically with MiniMax M3 as a brain. And look at the quality of these images. It's really amazing, really interesting stuff. Wow. Amazing stuff. It's at the point now where it's like, can you even tell if it's AI or not? Now, also you can see some examples of videos that you can generate here. And additionally, you can generate podcasts, so you can generate voice scripts as well, as you can see. Now, one thing that I really like to do when I'm generating any sort of SEO content is make sure I have a saved workspace here. Because, for example, if you're using MiniMax M3 inside your terminal, guess what? It's going to be pretty hard to see anything that you've created, preview it, and let alone if you've created something last week, how are you going to find it inside the Hermes terminal? It's just going to be very difficult, even if you've got MiniMax M3. So that's why I recommend having an agent operating system. And again, if MiniMax M4 comes out next month, no problem, because what you can do is swap out the brain. And so for me, for example, if I'm using Hermes agent and I want to change the model, and let's say a new model comes out every day, which it literally does, then I can just go to Hermes model inside the terminal and then just change that over, swap it over, and we're good to go on that. And so this is really cool. Now, another really cool thing about MiniMax M3 is that during their tests, they ran autonomously for 24 hours MiniMax M3 on a kernel optimization task. This is like a standard benchmark for just seeing how powerful an AI agent is, how long it can work on long horizon tasks, and it worked for hours on its own. So why is that interesting for you? For example, if you are using the goal mode inside your AI agents, where you just give it a goal and you walk away, or for example, if you're using the Kanban board and you're generating websites, like you see, for example, here, we can assign a task to our AI agents, then we'll have one agent triage it, and it will split those tasks and put it into the to-do list for other AI agents inside Hermes to go off and do stuff, right? And so why is that important? If you have something that's autonomous that can run for 24 hours, then you set a goal or you give it a mission inside the Kanban, walk away, it's going to have no problem just working autonomously on its own. It's probably going to be smarter and better off doing that, to be honest, at this point. And the other cool thing about this is you can actually combine everything that you can do with MiniMax into one amazing setup. So as an example of this, you can see this website that we generated with MiniMax using everything that I talked about, right? So for example, it's actually got a voiceover on this page too. It created the design, created the UI, it wrote all the content, it designed it with the video in the background, and then it plugged in all the details about itself onto a website. Now, why is that important for SEO? Because you can create landing pages very quickly, you can build out websites very quickly, and you can do it agentically. You can do it inside the agent operating system. You could also connect this to your phone, and then you could operate Hermes from your phone. So when you're out at the gym or whatever, you can still get your SEO done, which is what we really like here. Now, you might be wondering, okay, this is great, Julian. Does it actually work? I've shown you a couple of examples of us ranking with image search and also inside the SERPs here. And additionally, we are ranking inside AI mode as well, which is perfect. So this process actually works. I test everything that I talk about, and I'm very impressed with MiniMax. It's just a lot of fun as well. It's never been this fun to build something, because what I will say is about these new agentic models is that they're designed to work with Hermes directly. Now, why is that important for you? It's important because in the old days, and I say the old days, I'm talking like January, February, if you plugged a model into OpenClaw or into Hermes or into any other AI agent, the problem was that it wasn't smooth. It wasn't easy to implement. They didn't work together. You might spend a few hours setting up. Whereas with something like this, plug in the brain, off you go. Within a couple of hours, we had a voice agent set up, right? So we've got this voice agent here. We had the studio set up with the images, the videos, and the voice. We had multiple different websites built inside the workspace, and it felt almost effortless at this point. And this is the point that we're at with AI. So it's pretty amazing stuff. Now, if you want to get a free SEO strategy session based on what's working for me, you can get that at goldie.agency, and one-to-one on a call, we'll look at your website, give you a custom tailored game plan so you can generate more leads and rank your website on Google and AI mode as well. You'll discover the secrets of SEO link building. We'll answer any questions you have one-to-one on the call. You'll learn the best link building strategy for your website and how to outrank your competitors with link building as well. And this is all based on the tests that I've done previously. Additionally, if you want to get the full Agent OS system from me, including the MiniMax integration with the workspace, the voice agent, the SEO setup, etc., you can get that inside the AI Profit Board. This is an amazing community. You can connect with me personally inside there. We've got loads of AI SEO automations inside here too, which you can check out there. You can ask questions inside the community, which is pretty cool. So you can get help and support whenever you need it. There's always people online 24/7 as well, which is great because when you need help, it's there. Additionally, if you want to get that Agent OS system, we've got a video tutorial and a zip file that you can just install. And I've actually updated that so that you can get the latest version right there. So feel free to get this link in the comments description or go to the AIprofitboard.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.